Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Ray Daily English, the best place to make your English learning easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Alex. It is wonderful to be here today. How are you doing, Emily?
I'm doing great, Alex. I had a very productive morning. How about you?
Well, I'm finally awake. It took 2 cups of coffee, but I'm ready now.
That's a perfect start. And speaking of mornings, that is our topic for today. Daily routines. We are going to talk about everything we do from the moment we wake up until we go to sleep.
This is a great topic because we use these words every single day. But before we dive in, we have a small request for our viewers.
Yes, if you enjoy our lessons, please click that like button. It really helps our channel grow.
And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Ray Daily English and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Now, Emily, let's start at the very beginning, the morning.
I'll be honest, Alex. I am a total morning person. I love waking up early.
I wish I could say the same. I am definitely a night owl. For me, the alarm clock is my worst enemy. Do you jump out of bed as soon as it rings?
Pretty much. I wake up at 6 a.m. I like the quiet time before the rest of the world wakes up. What about you?
Oh, I'm a professional at using the snooze button. I pressed it at least 3 times. 5 more minutes is my favorite phrase in the morning.
But doesn't that make you late?
Every single time. I usually have to rush to get ready. It's quite stressful.
See, that's why I wake up early. I like to have a calm breakfast. I usually make a bowl of oatmeal with fresh fruit or some scrambled eggs.
That sounds very healthy. My breakfast is usually just a piece of toast and, most importantly, coffee. I like my coffee black and very strong.
I love coffee too, but I prefer a latte with a bit of honey. While I drink my coffee, I try to stay away from my phone. I just look out the window and plan my day.
I can't do that. I'm always checking my emails or scrolling through the news while I eat. It's about habit, I know.
After breakfast, it's time to head out. Do you drive to work?
No, the traffic is too crazy. I take the bus. It's usually very crowded, so I put on my headphones and listen to an English podcast. It's a great way to practice.
That's a smart use of time. I drive my car, but the traffic jams can be frustrating. I usually listen to upbeat music to keep my energy up.
Once I get to the office, the first thing I do is, you guessed it, more coffee. Then I check my to-do list. My day is full of meetings and spreadsheets.
My workday is also very busy. I spend a lot of time talking to clients and answering emails. By 1 p.m., I'm starving. Do you go out for lunch? Sometimes, but it's getting expensive. I've started bringing a packed lunch from home. What about you? I always bring a salad or a wrap. It's healthier and saves a lot of money. When 5 p.m. hits, I am so ready to go home. What's the first thing you do when you get back?
I change into my comfy clothes, usually sweatpants and a t-shirt. Then I take my dog, Max, for a walk. It helps me clear my head.
I don't have a dog, but I have a cat named Bella. She usually greets me at the door, which really means feed me right now. Cats are definitely the boss of the house. Do you cook dinner? I try to, but I'm not a great cook. I usually stick to simple things like pasta. If I'm really tired, I just order takeout. I actually find cooking very relaxing. I love trying new recipes. After dinner, I usually read a book or watch a movie to relax. I'm the opposite. I get a burst of energy at night. I stay up watching series or browsing the internet until midnight. Midnight? I'm usually fast asleep by 10:30 p.m. I need my 8 hours of sleep to feel good the next day. I know. I always regret it when my alarm goes off the next morning. Well, everyone's routine is different, and that's what makes it interesting. We hope this conversation helped you learn some new English phrases for your daily life.
We want to hear from you now. Are you a morning person like Emily or a night owl like me? Tell us in the comments below. We love reading your comments. Thank you for watching Our Daily English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.